Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and biometrics, go to set lock screen password, and continue. Enter use a different password type, and as you can see right here we've got 4 types of passwords. Pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Also right here we've got 6-digit password. So let's set it right now. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's modify the password and select 4-digit password. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. And this time, let's select 4 to 16-digit password. Next, let's select password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now when it's set, we can go back and add fingerprint. Fingerprint sensor is right here on the power button. Tap it multiple times and adjust fingerprint position each time. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Enter it and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.